You may call it Game of Thrones or House of Cards, but definitely a political season and high drama has definitely opened up in the state of Tamil Nadu, and with just a couple of months before the elections, looks like all the jigsaw puzzles are open once again to be set on place. And currently the drama has started to boil once again inside AIADMK. As you are all aware, after the death of AIADMK Supremo Jayalalitha back in 2016, the actual party has two leadership currently, a convener and a co-convener. And currently it seems that the convener, that is the Deputy Chief Minister of the party, O. Pannirselvam, is not happy with the way the party and the governance being run, especially the way he is not being given a kind of a space in whatever is occurring in in Tamil Nadu. So what has happened is that starting from 15th August, yes, on the Independence Day, there was a marathon event, meetings between the Chief Minister's faction, that is Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, shortly called as EPS, and O. Pannirselvam faction, that is the Deputy Chief Minister, shortly called as OPS. Several ministers have been shuttling between the two party leaders, trying to sort things out, because at this moment when Tamil Nadu is going to face elections, this kind of crisis, not within ADMK but any party, will not work in favor of the party. However, the last meeting, the executive committee meeting that was conducted 2 days ago, no kind of solution was received. Earlier, it was only believed that the ousted AIADMK leader Sashikala would be the bigger issue for the party, but it looks like two things are turning into a very big issue. The first one, who will be the next Chief Minister candidate, and the Chief Minister EPS does not want to give it away. In fact, very interestingly, a conversation between them has also occurred where a little bit of mudslinging allegedly had occurred inside the executive committee meet. However, as we started digging in and speaking to various party leaders, it seems like the Deputy Chief Minister is not looking for the Chief Minister's candidate post, but he is eyeing for a very big and important post within the party, and that allegedly is the General Secretary post. Like you mentioned earlier, with the death of Jayalalitha, the General Secretary post was abolished inside the party, and they have a convener and co-convener, but it looks like an ultimatum is kind of being provided to Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, the Chief Minister, that either he can choose to be the Chief Minister candidate or the General Secretary, and for that EPS faction is not ready to oblige, because on one side EPS claims that he has a majority among the party, but various other leaders are trying to appease these two men, claiming that at this time and moment infighting will not work well for the party. Not just that, EPS faction is also questioning how come OPS, who was quiet all this while, suddenly has started to rattle up, and they blame, claim, alleged that there is a national party behind it who's only making him work in such manner. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for Mirror.